go mystery. 20k mystery. Be the super. The last ride. Not the ride. We need the last one. Come on, Karn 1. No shot, Karn 1. No shot. Trash. Alright, go again. Better be the last one, not the regular ride. The last ride. It's the last one, guys. Karn 1. Please Karn 1. Don't be weird. Come on, you have to Karn 1 right now. We have no option. We have no option. It has to be Karn 1. Is that money? Wow, not bad. Karn 1, please. Is not the super? No, this is the super. Oh, you said this is the super. Yes, this is the super. Okay. Need triple car, 135. Or just a good wild setup like we just had. Those wilds were so good. Last spin, triple car. Bang! Go again. Come on, bottom right, bottom right. Good, super. Okay, mid-ass wilds. And we need the Karn 1. Desperately. Missed it, I'm sick. Terrible. That was a super. Back to back to back. Wait, this is a good setup. Is that money? I feel like that's like 14k. 26, beautiful. Did more than the fucking super did. Come on, super. Please, bottom right. Locked in, right? Bang! Oh wait, you're right. The supers and the regulars are pretty much the same. It's just... Oh, wow. Not bad. I have one more hit. It's gonna drop down too. Oh, that could have been good, but those fucking Route 66. Nice! Okay. Okay. Can I get a triple car? If I get a car here, it's guaranteed, and I miss it. Because I have one guaranteed on the last reel, because that's what the super does, so... I need 1 and 3. Just car and 1 and 3. I forgot what it even does, but I want to see it. Oh my god, wait, that's big! Guys, this is big! This is big! This is money! This is money! Oh! I need blue girls in 1. Blue girls in 1, and this is massive. These blue girls in 1, and it's massive! It's massive! Blue girls in 1. No! Non-premium nation. Non-premium nation. It's still money though, right? Wow! Holy shit! Wow. W. What a call by the guy in the chat. I would never have came here. W fucking call, bro. W fucking call. Holy shit. This lot has potential. I did not know that. Bro, wait. Blue girl in 1 was so much. Wait, if that paid that much. How much are... Wait, Blue Girl in 1 must have been like an actual $1 million. That must have been like max win if I had Blue Girl in 1, no? You got a premium? Is that a premium? I'll look at it in a second, but like... Oh my god. That's crazy. Okay, then it paid $700, so I get why it's volatile, but... Wow. I got this thingy. Oh no, it would have been better, but it wouldn't have been that much better. Like 50% more only.